A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. It's not 8:54, it's 5:54. I'm heading down to Akatia Wells, like a desert off-roading area. I made it to the base of these dunes, but I was already losing tons of traction, so we'll call it there. But I think I'm gonna throw the drone up and get a shot of us descending this sandy hill. We're back. Excuse the redness. It's freaking hot in here. But back at Fitment, Dojo pants are really close to being done. Super exciting. What's up? It's pretty loud in there, so I just figured I'd voice over these clips. But as you can see here, this is a crew neck, and it's sewn out of the same fabric as the Dojo pant. So what we call the Dojo weave fabric. Super lightweight cotton, and with a little bit of nylon and spandex for stretch and performance. And Mondo has been sewing these summer pieces himself, and the quality is just at an insane level. He's going to be bringing on more sewers eventually, but right now it's just him. And he's been sewing for nearly 40 years, so the quality's at a pretty insane level. That's the Snow Tiger Dojo pant. And I don't know if this is going to be coming out at the same time. We got to work out a few more kinks, but Fitment basketball jersey. And I really like this new mint leaf logo, the glowing mint leaf. I think next, yeah, we've got, so this is Black Dojo pant production in full swing. This is something we do have dialed in. Luckily, we came out with the product last summer. So what you saw there was just cut up waistbands. That was just rib pre-cut, and then this is the body of the pant, the legs. That's 1,000 fitment tags. We're not making 1,000 pants at once, but it makes sense to stock up. And then here, as you can see, this is where the fitment tag gets sewn on to the waistband for the dojo. And as I said, Mondo, that's his Mondo right here sewing. He's owned this company for over 25 years. He's had his own clothing companies. He's had teams of 60 people, and but there's a lot of ups and downs. When everything kind of left LA and everyone went to China, it got a lot harder to make a living in the clothing business as a sewer. And then with the pandemic, he almost had to shut down permanently. So I'm just so lucky to have found him. He's helped me a ton, and I'm glad we can try to support the business and grow together, you know. So here he's just ironing out the whole body of the dojo sewn up, and the final step is combining the rib on the waist and the rib on the ankle. We're actually waiting on the exact drawstring, but if they don't get here in time, I have a really nice we got a really nice drawstring for the shorts. Oh, we're out of time. This is my closing drone shot. But yeah, I think you guys got a good ebb and flow of what production looks like for the dojo pant. I'm going to keep this content coming. This is not the end. And yeah, there it is, Los Angeles.